गर्दी करू नका.
सर या साइड पे डिस्टेंस ऑल द कमिटी मेंबर्स
यार मस्त लागी रहा.
मेरी यार है. On behalf of our party, we have taken this drive. And I think this is the right place to restart the drive. So the most important thing is that social distancing should be kept. And I think the city mayor also is here. I think he has in fact, I should congratulate everyone as far as CCP is concerned for doing a good job in the market as well as in the city. I think we should be thankful to the medical staff as well as the most important the police, because I feel all this thing, if there are no cases, it is the thanks to the police and to the medical staff who has taken the trouble in this difficult time.
So Panjim city is the first city which is open fully, like maybe the fish market, fruit market, vegetable market, or the main complex market. How is it for that?
That's the reason about I'm trying to say. No? We need to keep a social distancing. That is most important. I think that the vendors should be educated on that, to keep a social distancing, and that's the way how the business they should do the business. Because it is going to affect them only. If there is any problem coming in the city, it is going to affect basically the vendors. Their business will be affected. So it is they got to take care of their business by telling the people, whoever their customers, to tell them to keep a safe distance.
So how you see in the economic wise?
Economy wise looks to be bad, but it depends as far as Goa is concerned. But until unless the borders are open, the free flow of other business activities cannot take place. Tourism is hit badly. This is the main backbone of our economy. I think that's the reason I'm saying we should basically be more careful. Because if you go to see in Germany also, yesterday said they lifted the lockdown and more cases started surfacing. So that is the reason we need to be careful, and social distancing should be maintained.
So what about the dengue? Last time we have seen the Panjim was also hit by the dengue and almost all over the Goa. So what are the preparations are going on?
As far as dengue is concerned, see, this is the most important thing at present. What is we are facing. So once this epidemic is done with, then I think we can focus.
No, I mean to say most of the nalas who dispose the sewage has been sealed. Like,
as the mayor was telling me that they have sealed certain places yesterday because of proper hygiene is not been maintained. Now we have started as far as desilting the main drains You can see in front of CCP, then in Miramar area and all. These drains were not open for the past more than 20 years. That is the reason that water logging and all used to take place. Now let us just wait and see once the monsoon comes and whether we have done a good job.
So what about the flooding? Last time we have witnessed a lot of flooding in city. Yes.
So that is the reason we have started opening certain drains which were closed for more than 25 years. Now let this drain work get over, and hopefully the monsoon is slightly delayed. We should only pray that monsoon is slightly delayed, and then we should not. Then we should see whether the problem has been solved.
It is said that in the month of June and July, most of the cases will surge as far as coronavirus is concerned.
So that is the reason what I am trying to say. We should maintain a social distance. Just in haphazard manner, we should not just start roaming because it's just lockdown is removed, so people are still roaming freely. I feel it is the responsibility of the people of the public, basically, to maintain the social distancing. So if social distancing and all the other things like using a sanitizer, washing your hands and all, if these things are maintained and if each one takes care of themselves, I think we'll have a less of this figure.
So last, what about the trade tax? It has been said by the Siddharth something.
No, I don't want to know who said what. You tell me, you ask me a question.
Yeah, basically.
Don't ask me a question on someone said.
Correct. What about the trade tax? It is being heard that it's been increased now.
No, I have already discussed with the mayor as far as trade tax is concerned, and we will basically see that the shop owners will not be burdened.
So there will be a relief for shop owners.
I told you, we will see that shop owners will not be burdened. So you read in between the lines.
Thanks.
Okay, thank you so much. So this should be the other side actually. No, you put it there. No, that's top should be right.
वायू जो आमी आज लॉन्च करता. सो पयलीं म्हणजे हांव थँक करूंक सोदता BJP पणजे मंडळाक आनी MLA बाबूश मनसारता की आमकां एक फर्स्ट ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळ्ळी म्हणून. द वायू टोटली गोवन ब्रँड. हाच्या पयलीं आमचें अगरबत्ती प्रोडक्शन आशिल्लें म्हणजे अजून आसा आनी जस्ट हे लॉकडावन पडटकूच आमी मागीर चिंतलें की एक बाबा गरजूय आसा ह्या गोश्टीची आनी इट इज निडेड फॉर द फायट अगेन्स्ट कोवीड. सो वाय डोंट वी गो इन फॉर द प्रोडक्ट सॅनिटायझर. सो आमी हो आतां सुरू केला सद्या. हातून 3 वेरियंट्सान आसा. एक 90 ml, एक 500 ml आनी 5 लिटर्स. सो कोणाकूय कितें बल्क ऑर्डर आसा ऑर एनी क्वेरीज कॅन डायरेक्टली कॉन्टॅक्ट अस. आमचें ऑफीस पाट्यार आसा पणजे आनी वी वील बी स्टार्टींग डिस्ट्रिब्युशन एंड सप्लाय फ्रॉम टुडे. हातून एक फ्लेवर आसा मिंट आनी अल्कोहोल बेस्ड सॅनिटायझर अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिकमेंडेशन्स ऑफ वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गनायझेशन आनी अप्रुवल बाय दी FDA. So from today onwards it will be available in stores.